Today, I'm going to show you some bands for your Garmin from a company called Hemsut. Hemsut is well known among watch enthusiasts. They sent me these to check out. Thank you very much. They offer all types of bands for your Garmin watches, whether it's nylon, silicone, or leather, in a variety of styles. They also made some bands for your traditional analog watches as well, whether you own a Rolex, Omega, or Seiko. They also got some bands for G-Shock too, for those of you who love to customize your G-Shock. They made some bands for your smart watches, like your Apple Watch, Amazfit, or Samsung. You can check them out at hemsutwatchbands.com. Today, I got these 3 bands. It's a quick fit system for your Garmin. The width of these bands, they are 22mm, which is the band size for my Garmin Fenix 8 Solar 47mm. I got my Fenix 8 47mm right here with one of my Hemsut watch band. This is tactical nylon band, very cool looking, pretty tactical. I also got a review of this. You can check it out. Now let's go unbox these and have a look. Alright, let's check out these bands. Very nice box. I'm loving this. Start with this one. Alright, we got a ziplock in here. Wow. Okay, there's 2 parts. And also, they also comes with a spring bar inside the package. Very nice. This band is called Military Band Loop. It's like a loop Velcro. It's got a Velcro over here, as you can see. It's like a military style. I'm loving it. This is a dark camo color. That's desert camo, forest camo. Also the white color, they call it snow camo. They have 2 sizes. They have S and M. I got S size. My size is S because my wrist circumference is around 168mm. I'll put the size for you to see. I believe this is the top part and this is the bottom part. Let me take my watch off. Okay. Just click it out like this. Real simple. I don't really have a fingernail right now. Still no problem. Okay. You can just click it in if you cannot lift it. And voila. Wow. Looks very military, very tactical looking as well. Works pretty well in dark condition while you're on a mission because it's a dark camo color. It feels like a black color, but for me, it has some green on it too, like a dark green. Yeah, I'm very digging this color. And there's a military word right here. And there's this stainless buckle here. Feels very good quality. I'm loving it. Let me try it on. Yeah, you just have to let the Velcro into this loop and then twist it back. The S size is from 165mm to 190, so it fits me very well. If you're interested in this one, just make sure you get the right size. And the material feels quality too, pretty solid. For those of you who like camouflage or camo, you might want to consider this. You should see it in person. Real dope. I'm loving it. This is Alpine Loop for Garmin, similar to the Apple Watch Ultra with Garmin QuickFit. The connector, the QuickFit connector of Hemsut, is pretty much the same across all the bands and strap. It's a stainless connector, pretty solid and durable. This Alpine Loop is similar to Apple's Alpine Loop that comes with Apple Watch Ultra, but now you get this for your Garmin by Hemsut. There's a variety of colors for this Alpine Loop as well. Also, there's a variety of band size for your Garmin as well. You can check it out at hemsut.com. The color variant that I got here is black gray. The band itself is black, and at the center here, where the loop goes in, is gray It's like sort of like a dark gray. Looks pretty beautiful. And the nylon here is pretty thin as well and quite stretchy. I'm loving it already. It's perfect for you to go hiking or outdoor adventures. Seems pretty breathable too. Yeah. In Hemsut website, it runs around 24 USD. Just click it in because I got no fingernails. And voila. Looks pretty outdoorsy, I guess. Yep. Feels pretty lightweight. Yeah, I think it's stainless steel, not aluminum. But the QuickFit connector is surely stainless steel. Let me try it on. Just put it in here. Yep, that's about it. Pretty lightweight, I like it. Pretty firm on my wrist as well, very comfy. Yeah, and the fabric, it feels premium as well, very good quality. Feels like it's gonna breathe very well, I like it. I recommend this one if you like going outdoor or doing some sports and you like nylon fabric. This is the one to get. I saved this one for last. Something a bit dressier and with style as well. Voila. This band is called Horween Leather QuickFit Garmin watch bands. I got myself here natural color. Very classy, very good looking. It's real leather as well. As you can see here, the stitching, very nice. And I can smell it as well, the leather. And you can see it, Hemsut watch band. Yep, very nice. And Hemsut said this band is handmade as well. And the leather here is pretty solid. Got some flex to it. So that's a good sign. The more you use it, it's going to break in over time for this type of band. And of course, the QuickFit connector is stainless steel. Same as other band I show you. Same connector. Maybe change the watch face. Yep, this thing should do. And voila. Now you give your Fenix a dressier look. You can put on your suit and wear this one too. Or you know, just your casual days, it's gonna work just fine. Okay. This leather band, the leather is quite thick as you can see, but still very okay for me. Just give your Fenix 8 a more dressier look. It doesn't matter if you use a Fenix or Epix or Tactics. Every band I show you is going to fit just fine, as long as it's QuickFit compatible. I really like the end here. The cutting is just very cool, I think. Yeah, very nice one. I'm loving it. If you're interested in any of the 3 bands I showed you, you can purchase it through my link in the description. At this time of this video, that's a special promo as well. You buy 2 bands, you get another one free, which is a very great deal. You can choose the bands that matches your style or suit how you use your Garmin watch. That's it for my review of the 3 bands from Hemsut. If you like it, please hit like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.